Imagine stepping into a cool, refreshing room on a sweltering summer day. That blissful relief is thanks to an air conditioner, a marvel of modern engineering that works tirelessly to keep us comfortable. But how does it actually do that? Let's break it down. At the heart of every air conditioner is a process called refrigeration. It all starts with a special fluid known as refrigerant. This fluid has a unique property. It can easily change from a liquid to a gas and back again. This is crucial because it allows the air conditioner to absorb heat from the inside of your home and release it outside. The journey begins when warm air from your room is drawn into the air conditioner through a vent. This air passes over the evaporator coils, which are filled with the cold refrigerant. As the warm air flows over these coils, the refrigerant absorbs the heat, causing it to evaporate and turn into a gas. This is where the magic happens. The air that comes out of the unit is now cooler and more comfortable. Once the refrigerant has absorbed the heat, it travels to the compressor, which is often located outside your home. The compressor is like a pump that increases the pressure of the refrigerant gas, making it even hotter. This might sound counterintuitive, but bear with me. The high-pressure gas then moves to the condenser coils, which are also outside. Here, the gas releases the heat it absorbed from your home into the outside air. As it cools down, the refrigerant condenses back into a liquid. Now, this liquid refrigerant flows back inside to the expansion valve, which is a small device that reduces the pressure of the refrigerant. As it passes through this valve, it cools down significantly and returns to the evaporator coils, ready to start the cycle all over again. This continuous cycle of evaporation and condensation is what keeps your space cool. But there's more to it than just moving air around. Air conditioners also help reduce humidity. When warm air passes over the cold evaporator coils, moisture in the air condenses on the coils, just like how water droplets form on a cold glass on a hot day. This moisture is then drained away, leaving the air drier and more comfortable. It's fascinating to think about how much science goes into keeping us cool. From the thermodynamics of the refrigerant to the mechanics of the compressor, every part plays a vital role. And while we might take it for granted, understanding how an air conditioner works gives us a greater appreciation for this essential appliance. So, the next time you step into a cool room, remember the intricate dance of heat and cold happening right above your head. It's not just comfort, it's a brilliant application of physics at work.